This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Tyler Lettner. Active at the open house Sunday, September 3rd from 2 to 4 p.m. This exquisite 4-bedroom 2.5 bathroom home with stunning outdoor oasis is nestled in the coveted Westland Place extension of Westmoreland Estates. Located in the highly desirable West Knox area and boasting a host of exceptional features. The heart of the home is the open concept living space boasting a large kitchen that embodies style and functionality with a new refrigerator, walk-in pantry, stone countertops, and a large island, all connected to a spacious living room complete with a cozy gas log fireplace. You will also find hardwood flooring throughout most of the home, with exception of only 2 bedrooms, creating a warm and inviting ambience. The masterful design extends beyond the interior, beckoning you to the ultimate outdoor retreat. The real showstopper is the remarkable entertainment space at the rear of the house. The backyard boasts immaculate landscaping, and a wooden privacy fence borders the oasis. An expansive covered patio sets the stage for gatherings and relaxation, while the stone outdoor fireplace provides both warmth and a touch of sophistication. Also, a custom aluminum fence and a gate enclose the patio for safety, keeping kids and pets away from the pool when needed. The inground pool is a masterpiece in itself, featuring a trio of built-in jetted floor cleaning units, ensuring low maintenance. Bordered by a thoughtfully designed retaining wall which features built-in remote-controlled lighting, and tranquil fountains. Add in some excitement with the attached diving board and slide, or just bask in the allure of a pool that's designed to offer you the ultimate pleasure and relaxation. Beyond the captivating pool area, the property is adorned with a plethora of thoughtful additions. The large 2-car garage features an epoxy-coated floor, new door spring and built-in overhead storage. A custom-designed stone fountain adorns the front yard. Other notable updates have been meticulously carried out, including a new water heater and the addition of a French drain system, strategic gutter rework, 4 in-ground box drains and lots of concrete, creating a pathway/patio space along the entirety of the back of the house. This home is a testament to refined living, offering not just a residence, but an experience. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable property. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Tyler Lettner at 865-584-4000.